Everyone, so today we're going to be tackling about the fonts in HTML. So the properties or the basic ones that we apply to the fonts are the font size, the font color, and as well as the font style. Let's just save it. Okay, so the font properties can be applied to all the text tags in the HTML, like the paragraph or the heading. It can be applied to all of these ones, and actually it's the same way. So the font sizes, the styles, and colors are actually a part of the CSS. So we have two methods, actually three methods, but we're going to be focusing on the putting the CSS inside this tag itself. So to change this one, first of all, let's change the style. So it is recommended that we use the built-in font families in the computer, so that when another user checks this website or web page, then the font that will appear to them will be exactly as intended. So the basic ones that are built in are the Times New Roman or the Calibri. So for now, let's change this one to Calibri. So to change it, we put the font family, then put a quotation here, it is actually needed, and the Calibri. So as you can see, there is a difference between the font from the one without this style and the one with it. Then next, we're gonna stacking these styles together. To do that, put a semicolon as a separator. Then let's change the color. So you do not need to put the color, the font in the color, so you just put the keyword color, and then you also don't need the quotations here. So let's say you want it red, so you can see it changed to red, or maybe white. If it definitely changed, then it will not appear, but if you highlight it like this, the text must appear. So as you can see, there's no new here, but highlight it, then have this here. So for now, let's just go into red. Then finally is the size. So change it. The measurement that will be used this time is the pixels. So let's say 50 pixels will do, perhaps. And so as you can see, the size changes. If you use this font size, then the paragraph can actually have the same size as the header. Then next, why we do not use the style right in the head this time? Because if you put the CSS right here, then all these paragraphs here will change. So let's check what I'm trying to say. So let's just change the font size to 50 pixels. So as you can see, they approximately have the same sizes, which will be difficult to check the differences. So we put the style right here. So that's it for the basic font properties of the text in HTML. Thank you for listening and happy coding.